Ever wonder why some business designs look polished and professional while others just don't? If you're a small business owner, your design game can directly impact how people see your brand. But don't worry, today I'm covering 5 common design mistakes small businesses make and exactly how you can fix them. Let's dive in. First up, fonts. This one's huge. Using too many fonts can make your design look chaotic and unprofessional. I see this all the time. A flyer with script fonts, bold block letters, and decorative fonts all in one place. It's like a font party, and trust me, nobody wants that. Here's the fix. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts max. Use one for headings, one for body text, and maybe an accent font for callouts. For example, pair a clean sans serif with a simple serif, like Montserrat and Playfair Display. They contrast but still look cohesive. Pro tip: Canva has pre-made font pairings. Search for font combinations in the Elements tab, and you'll find ready-to-use pairs that just work. Mistake number 2, ignoring white space. White space isn't wasted space, it's breathing room for your design. When every inch is crammed with text or images, your message gets lost. Think of white space like pauses in a conversation. It helps your audience focus on what matters. Here's the fix. When designing, leave margins around your text and images. Avoid pushing everything to the edges. If you're creating social media posts, try centering your text with space around it, or framing key elements with borders of white space. Pro tip: take a step back when you're done. If it feels cluttered, remove 10 to 20% of the elements and let the design breathe. Next up, text overload. I get it, you want to share all the details, but too much text overwhelms people and they tune out. Your design should attract attention, not feel like reading homework. The fix? Less is more. Use short, punchy sentences. Break text into bullets or sections to make it easier to skim. If you're creating a flyer, lead with a bold headline and keep the details small and simple. For social posts, keep it to one main message per design. If you have more to say, break it into a carousel post or multiple slides. Remember, visuals grab attention, text explains. Let your design do some of the talking. Mistake number 4, color chaos. I see small businesses picking random colors without any thought to how they work together. The result? Designs that feel off or clash visually. The fix? Stick to a consistent color palette, ideally 2 to 4 main colors. Canva has a color palette generator that helps you build palettes that complement each other. Choose colors that reflect your brand's personality. For example, blue for trust, yellow for energy, and green for growth. Pro tip: use contrast. Dark text on light backgrounds, or vice versa, keeps things readable. Avoid using bright colors for body text. Save those for accents. And finally, alignment issues. Designs that aren't properly aligned can feel messy and amateur. It's one of those small things that makes a huge difference. The fix: use Canva's alignment tools. They snap text and images into place. Stick to left, center, or right alignment consistently throughout the design. Check your margins. If something looks off, it probably is. Make sure your text boxes and images are evenly spaced. Canva also has grid lines. Use them to make sure everything is neat and tidy. Alignment might seem small, but trust me, it instantly makes your design feel professional. So there you have it. 5 simple design fixes that can instantly upgrade your small business designs. Stick to a few fonts, embrace white space, simplify your text, pick the right colors, and keep things aligned. Remember, design doesn't have to be complicated. A few small tweaks can make a world of difference. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and follow for more easy design tips that'll level up your brand.